To add another fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down to top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security settings section, tap biometrics. Tap fingerprints. Enter your current screen lock. Since this phone is using pattern, then draw the pattern. Tap add fingerprint. The tag contains with some information on how to get the best scan when registering your fingerprints. Tap register to continue registering your fingerprint. Press with the pad of your finger you'd like to register inside the circle. Then leave your finger when the circle is fully highlighted. Repeat this step until you reach 100%. Tap done button to add the fingerprint you have just registered to your fingerprint list. Given to the function, you can add additional fingerprint in case you cannot use the main fingerprint in certain condition, or even you can add fingerprint of another people you trust so that they can also access your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.